Next we are going to discuss about the 16th chapter. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about Mac frame formats. Okay, so look at here. First we are going to discuss about frame format conventions. Next general Mac frame format.
Okay.
Under this we are going to discuss about different types of frames: backend frame, control frame, command frame. Then we are going to discuss about information elements. So this is the overview of the 16th chapter.
Right.
Okay, shall we start?
Yeah. Coming to that journal Mac format.
Yeah.
So this is the journal Mac format.
Right.
So your Mac header will look like this. So how many fields are there? To see you at the top row. they have written
Totally 5 fields are there.
5
First field is frame control,
Okay.
and second is destination address, third is source address, fourth sequence control, and fifth is access information.
Right.
Each field is having the width of 2 bytes.
Right.
I mean 2 octets.
Okay.
Okay,
So in that case, total means 10 bytes are there in Mac header.
right. Mac header is having the length of 10 bytes.
Right. So now after.
So this is the general Mac frame format, right? Mac header.
Okay. So after
Then followed by
transmitting
Mac header,
yeah.
what we'll have Mac frame body, right?
Right.
Then Mac frame body, right? That followed by that Mac payload, we'll have frame check sequence.
Right.
So what is the length of that frame check sequence? 4
4
octets. Okay.
So what they're trying to say is
So
if
in
secure.
this, yeah, in this frame, in this figure, they are trying to show what are all the subfields are in frame payload. So generally, first we have seen Mac header, followed by Mac header we'll have Mac frame body, then FCS. This is a general structure. Okay, but that Mac frame body is or Mac frame payload will made up of these fields, right? First what we are having TKID. What is that? Temporal key ID. Then security reserved. Okay, after that encryption offset, secure frame number, secure payload. Here only our wireless USB data and all will come.
Right.
Okay, that will be secured means that will be encrypted.
Okay.
Maybe encrypted or may not be. Okay, and at last we'll have message integrity code. Okay, so now we'll see the length of each field and the definition of each field. Okay, so what is the use of this temporal key ID? So we know that this is the tag for the ID. This is an tag for the temporal key, right? So anyway, in order to do the encryption and decryption, we'll use one session key, right? So this will tell the tag of that key. Okay, and second one is reserved one. This is having the width of 1 octet, and then third one is encryption offset. It will tell that in a secure payload, from which number of byte it will start to do the encryption. Okay, that is what encryption offset. Okay, yeah, if you read this one you will get the encryption offset definition. The encryption offset field indicates where the encryption starts in the secure payload. So it will tell this figure in terms of octets, okay, relative to the beginning of the secure payload. So a value of 0 indicates the entire secure payload is encrypted. Okay, you are getting right this one. And a non-zero value in this field indicates that the first EVO octets of the secured payload are not encrypted, because it is telling that the starting location from where the encryption has started, right? So if it is sending 5 means first 4 bytes are not encrypted, right? That's what they are trying to say here. So this is the definition for encryption offset. Okay, now we'll come back to normal definition. So next is what? Secure frame number. So each frame will have phone number, right? Yeah, that's having the width of 6 bytes. Next, secure payload. So as I told earlier, here only the raw data, wireless USB data will come. Okay. At last we'll have message integrity check, message integrity code. So how we can define the message integrity code?
The MIC field contain a 8 octet cryptographic checksum used to protect the integrity of the MAC header and the frame layer payload. Okay, so checksum means something, it is like CRC. Okay, you can say that means it is
it means cryptographic checksum means anyway this MIC also will be encrypted.
Okay.
Okay, and the usage of this one is to protect
the integrity of MAC header and frame payload. Okay. But we are already calculating the HCS on MAC header, right?
Right.
Then again, why we are
here? It's checksum means it's not related to that one. It's related to encryption. Okay.
No, no. See, if you see, they are talking about the protect the integrity of MAC header. Okay. So integrity of MAC header means it is something like they're avoiding that thing from corruption.
Right.
So like that.
So we can say that MAC is not only keeping the integrity of that MAC payload, it's also keeping the integrity of MAC header.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Right.
Okay. So there is a definition for MIC. Okay. So these are all the various fields inside a MAC frame payload.
Right.
Okay. Now we'll come to the starting location. Okay. Now look at here. In the first section, they have defined what are the conventions they have followed in this document. Okay. Shall we go through this one quickly once? Figures. MAC frames are described as a sequence of fields in a specific order. Figures in class 16 depicts fields in order they are delivered to the PHY SAP. SAP means service access point.
Okay.
Okay. From left to right. Okay. For example, if they are mentioning like this, okay, this means the which octet will first go? This one.
Right.
The octet which present at the leftmost corner. Okay, that's what they are trying to say. Getting?
Right.
Where the leftmost field is transmitted first in time. In the field figures, the bits within the field are numbered from the least significant bit on the right to most significant bit on the left. So what they are trying to say here means, so here we are having so many octets, right?
Right.
So first, which octet will go? The octet which present at the leftmost corner, right? In that, which bit will go? We know that octet is nothing but 8 bits, right?
Right.
Which bit will first go? The bit which present at the
left hand
LSB,
okay,
right hand side. Okay, that will go first. That's what they are trying to say here. So